How to add payment methods on your Canva account. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now first things first, you want to log in through the Canva account that you want to add the payment method with. Right after that, you can just go ahead and click on this button, and once inside, you want to navigate through settings. Now inside settings, it's really simple. Click on the billings and plans, and inside we have the add a payment method. From here you have things like PayPal, your credit card, or your own local bank right here. So you want to choose your preferred payment method. In my case, I'll go ahead and click on credit card, and from here you have to put the necessary details in order to add your own payment method. Go ahead and click on save and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.